In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your audience by creating and using groups in Mailchimp. This is a powerful tool that can streamline your email marketing strategy, allowing you to target your communications more precisely. Let's begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you've entered your credentials and are on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the side navigation panel. You'll find a tab labeled Audience that holds all the tools you need to manage your contacts. Click on Audience and you'll see a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Manage Audience. As you hover over this option, another list of functionalities will appear. Choose Groups from this list. This Group section is where you can start categorizing your audience based on various criteria that fit your business needs. To create a new group, look for the Create Groups button and give it a click. This is the gateway to organizing your contacts in a way that allows for more personalized and effective communication. Now you'll be prompted to choose the type of group you want to create, which could be either checkboxes or radio buttons. Checkboxes allow your subscribers to be a part of multiple groups simultaneously, providing flexibility for those who fit into more than one category. On the other hand, radio buttons restrict each subscriber to a single group, perfect for choices like preferences or exclusive subscriptions. Select the option that best aligns with your strategy and objectives. Next, think about the categories you want to establish. Start by naming your first group. This could be anything from preferred customers to weekly newsletter subscribers, whatever makes sense for how you plan to segment your audience. With the main group name in place, it's time to add the group options. These are specific subcategories within your main group. For instance, under a group called Product Interests, your options might be New Arrivals, Seasonal Collections, or Discount Offers. Label these clearly so both you and your subscribers know exactly what each option entails. After setting up your group names and options, the next step is to save your groups. Simply hit the Save button to ensure that all your carefully inputted information is securely stored and ready to use. This feature is not only useful for internal organization, it can also be integrated into your external communications. Once your groups are saved, consider using them in your sign-up forms. This empowers subscribers to choose areas of interest or levels of involvement upon joining your list, enhancing their user experience. Additionally, you can use these groups when you create email segments to send targeted messages tailored specifically for each group. This strategy maximizes engagement and improves the success rate of your email campaigns by ensuring that each recipient receives content that is most relevant to them, fostering stronger connections and encouraging interaction. And that wraps up today's guide on handling Mailchimp groups. By implementing these steps, you can refine your audience management and drive more meaningful interactions through your email marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and happy email.